Hi again, today we have another package. Let's check what we have today. First of all, we have Game & Watch, one from Casio and the other one from Nintendo. It's Mickey and Donald. Unfortunately, we have a broken lock, but the screen looks very nice. Here we have a broken ribbon cable. Okay, I will try to restore both of them. We have PSP 2000. This one have seen a better days. What else we have? We have PSP Street. Okay. Poor condition. We have DS original. For sure we have a damaged screen and a damaged housing. We have another DS. Another bad shell. We have another DS original. This one, the shell seems to be fine, but we have a cracked screen. Alright, that's it for this package. I will make a separate video for each item of it. Thank you for watching and see you.